Hello guys, hello everyone. Today is 9 degrees here in Hong Kong. We are here at the Hong Kong guys. Look, I'm wearing very big jacket. I'm wearing jacket guys. I am wearing jacket because it's cold. 9 degrees here in Hong Kong. 9 degrees in Hong Kong guys. Okay. Yung mukha natin guys, no? Ayusin natin ito muna. Yung ating cellphone. 9 degrees here in Hong Kong. Ganito yung face natin pag malamig. Di ba guys? Ganito talaga. Oh my God! Wala tayong magawa sa bahay natin kaya kailangan natin lumabas. At saka ganito na gawin natin guys. Thank you so much and advance Merry Christmas to everyone. Advance